How to remove or delete Cash App transaction history. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to remove or delete Cash App transaction history. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. From there, tap on the Activity option that appears at the bottom menu of the page. This will take you to the Activity page, where you will see all transactions history you have on your account. From there, as you can see, there is no option for deleting the transactions, but I will show a solution. Go to the Profile section of your account by tapping on the Profile icon here. This is the Profile section of your account. Here, you will see options that you can use to navigate and get access to different features of the app. Next, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Come to the bottom of the page and make sure you tap on this option here named Support. This is the Cash App support page. On this page, there are options and sections that you can use to get solutions to issues or problems you encounter in the app. From them, make sure you tap on this one here named Account and Settings. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Scroll down and tap on this option here named Close Your Cash App. Currently, this is the only available solution to delete your account activity, such as transaction history. Before you proceed, you have to know that closing your Cash App account will disable your $cash tag, stop all incoming payments, and sign you out of every session. You must cash out all funds first, including any linked personal or business accounts, which will also be closed. Some records will still be kept for legal reasons, and once the account is closed, it cannot be undone.